اليوم راح نسوي طبخة صينية بطاطس. حطينا we put more tomato and we put onion and فلفل and mixing very well. Look like that and mix it also very well.
Mix with the fry.
And we do it very little bit of fire. Good for my mom.
Lada.
You put it in sauce.
I put this in YouTube.
Huh?
YouTube.
What?
What you asking?
Where do you put it?
YouTube.
No, I don't want. No, we don't want.
Hello guys, magluto kami ng dinner. Ang tawag dito is yung mix na chicken and potato. Para ito sa sandwich. Lagyan ko mamaya ng sauce for burger. Next is, yan, hinahalo niya na. Tapos lalagyan ko ng kunting barat, kunting asin, kunting korkom, garlic powder. Tapos nagkata ko ng potato cube, ilalagay ko mamaya. Try nyo rin ito magluto. Masarap guys. Promise. Kunting asin lang kasi maglalagay ako ng fish mamaya. Slice fish. Tapos lalagyan ng black pepper. Lagyan ng konting swan. Konting tubig. Hindi ako maglalagay ng swan. Maglalagay ako ng 3 pieces sliced cheese. Tapos mag-mix ako ng konting barbecue sauce. And then try nyo guys, masarap itong klase ng style. Arabic siya. Wait, later, do not put it now because I prepare a potato slice. Pasensya na guys, medyo pangit yung background. Pero okay lang, basta maluto lang yung ginagawa. Halas. That chicken is already right. I will taste it. are really yummy, guys. Yummy, guys. Tingnan niyo, guys. You eat with what? You eat with this?
Yeah, that is all. No, my brother liking what? What's name? Yeah, خبز. Amasta.
Yan na. Ot, bismillah. Maglalagay kami ng cube na potato. Yan. Mag-add kami ng barbecue sauce. Tapos lalagyan namin ng sliced cheese. Mix. Pangit lang yung background. I-back natin ang camera. Hindi mag-back yung camera. Ganyan na talaga. Hindi siya close back. Pinatay ko yung apoy para masarap. Yummy. Ito na guys, ready na guys.
Put in the sahan and then where?
Yala.
Guys, wait. Give me maganda.
You want to eat now?
No, for my what? My brother only. Kami ko I don't know talking Philippine. I know only ko Marites.
You know what is mean the Marites?
That's not.
Marites too much gargar.
You are too much karka.
Yes, madam.
ماما قاعدين نسوي هذا العشاء. ها؟ I believe my dad wants you.
Okay, sir. Just wait a while. I want like. Halas, you dumak. Nalugaw na yung luto niya, oh. Wala na. Ay,
Sorry, sorry. Now it's ready. Wala ana.
You eat our and keep for
You
your
want?
mom, okay?
You want?
Here, I eat water with...
No.
You don't want? No.
Do for you something and what you want to do for you. I do for you.
I want the sandwich bread only.
Bye. Hi guys.
Hi guys. Gusto daw niya magluto para sa akin dinner daw.
How much tomato you want?
Wahed bas.
Okay. Hey, don't swear.
Okay.
Hey, me. What? You won't go. If my mom comes, you will go. That. Come with us to follow. Cry for women and hiding in the dark. Don't tell my feeling, okay?
Let's see. If science will do this, please explain.
I will go with my mom to go outside and then what? And then once I said, real calm the phone. You will go follow with us? Yeah, follow. You take your right hand to the fair like that. Like that stupid. It was in the truck. Why you put it here? Take a cow. What?
OMG, this already opened the baby.
I opened it.
This But this camera is not.
Hi guys, اليوم راح نسوي لمبة بريد ولبنة وزعتر. زعتر very good. Its name Dari very good. Oh my god, finish the زعتر. We'll go for her sandwich.
I'm going to Abha next month. Yes.
Why?
I go for 2 days.
You will say what you will pretend here.
I promise. For 2 days only.
You will come here today?
I'm going for 2 days.
Here?
No, in Abha.
Again, if you come here, how much you will set? 2 years. If you come here again, you will set 2 years.
Yes, 3 years. I haven't.
And 3 years. Say what? Ew! Yeah, I'm gonna come here.
Careful.
I want to stay with you. I don't want to go in Sala.
No, not I will come also. No, I mean I'm go for in Abha because I do nikah online. So inshallah I'm sure.
Yeah, what is so? I put this way is
Where?
Here. I think it's plastic. Even if you saw it, I'm gonna put it off. Oh.
Finish.
Put it here.
Don't throw this. Don't throw. I need this because when your mom she buy jata only just with this. I need that.
What? Bye.
Keep the camera. Oh. Yes. Guys, gusto daw niya magawa ng dinner para sa akin. Sana all.
What potato?
1 tomato. 1 kiar.
No, 2 tomato.
No, 1.
No, 2.
Yala, okay. Gusto niya guys, gusto niya mag-practice, gusto niya mag-join sa aking vlog.
One
Para
what?
hide lang yung mukha niya. Yes.
And what also?
Lemon. 2 lemon and this,
How much lemon? 2?
2.
For me. Why you wait for me?
Make sure clean it. Wait.
Marvin secret.
I think
Yippee. Yup. You know what? You know how you cut like that?
okay, ready. Do it for me.
First, take that.
Wait, I close this. Wait.
Filfil.
Pepper
Flefla.
Flefla. In Arabic?
Flefla.
Okay.
Flefla أصفر. Put it. ما ادري شلون تاكل هذا المارفلين، ايش تاكل ذا خايس تاكل شو اسمه طماطم، فليفله صفراء، خيار وثنتين ليمون. ايش تلقى؟ ايوه how you eat it.
I like it.
Who love you?
Yes.
Marvelin, don't put it in the tube, okay? Put it in the picture because if you go Philippines, you will see me. Yeah.
Hello. Mama, not too much small. Medium. Like this.
No! Nope.
See, I will show you how I do misalata. Like this one, like look.
Don't do it all! I don't know this how much you got.
Very small. Not like your mom, very small.
Like that.
For me, it's medium slice.
Put it in the that suwar. That's the picture because if you go Philippines, oh no,
Yes, I have memory and
yeah,
I will remember you.
you will come.
Inshallah. Maybe I will go on March.
Huh?
March.
What?
March.
No, if Modi got grade 1, you know. Mm.
I will go to vacation for 2 months.
It's okay, 2 months, it's okay.
Yes. March, April, and then June I will come.
Tell my mom if you go, tell her you want to come because my mom is not know you will come or no.
Yes, I will come.
If you go, yalla Marvin, say yalla goodbye Marvin. If you go to the airport, say for remember we go with you also. That's why Marvin. Okay, he will what? Say goodbye, and then tell my mom. I want to come in June, Madri. Ah!
Sure, yeah. Yes guys, gusto daw niya na guys. Gusto niya gumawa ng memories namin. Kasi sabi ko mag-uwi ako ng March. Tapos babalik ako ng June. Kaya gusto daw niya na mag-join sa akin. Blah blah blah. Kida.
Apa tu kata?
Kaya gusto niyang gumawa ng effort. Uhuy! Gumawa siya ng effort para sa akin.
Evelyn, you will go and your baby 2 months.
Yes, I'm going to see my baby. I'm sit there with 2 months.
And then you return.
Yes.
Say wallah.
Wala.
Okay, tell my mom don't. If you not come, I will sad.
I will come, inshallah. Ah, you don't like this without gloves. Ah, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Salamat na ginawa niyo sa akin. Thank you, Bonnie. So guys,
Bye.
maraming salamat guys. Thank you for watching and for joining sa amin.